Recovering deleted messages on Pandora can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you retrieve your lost messages. Step 1. Check the app settings. Open the Pandora app and navigate to the settings menu. Look for any options related to message history or recovery. Some apps have built-in features that allow you to restore deleted messages. Step 2. Look for archived messages. In the messaging section, check if there is an archived messages folder. Sometimes, deleted messages are not permanently removed but are instead archived. If you find this option, you may be able to restore your messages from there. Step 3. Use a backup. If you regularly back up your device, check your backup settings. Restore your device from the most recent backup that includes the time before the messages were deleted. This can help recover your lost data. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the previous steps do not work, reach out to Pandora's customer support. Provide them with details about the messages you need to recover, and they may have additional methods to assist you. Step 5. Explore third-party recovery tools. As a last resort, consider using third-party data recovery tools designed for messaging apps. Ensure that you choose a reputable tool and follow the instructions carefully to avoid further data loss. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your deleted messages on Pandora. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to seek help from support or forums dedicated to the app.